This is going to be the first video in a three-part video series in which we're going to be analyzing mobile app reviews for Sonos' mobile app, following their most recent mobile app update from May of 2024 last year that have caused a whole host of issues for customers globally. Apparently, this has resulted in an estimated $600 million loss for the company. The CEO has stepped down. A lot of C-suite leaders have left the company. They've done a round of layoffs. And the mobile app still is not fixed. There's still a lot of disgruntled customers. So we're going to be analyzing these reviews to understand how can we really easily pull out insights at scale to prioritize issues and figure out what to do about them to get Sonos back on track. So I am on the Apple App Store site for Sonos' mobile app. If I go here, you can see there's over 700,000 reviews for the mobile app. If I just click to see the most recent ones, you can see these are pretty bad. They're very critical. A lot of one-star reviews complaining about very different things following the mobile app update. Even these most two recent five-star reviews, you can see these are still pretty critical. The app update is almost unusable. I can't handle the bugs. So we've scraped all these reviews. We're going to put in Dimension Labs to pull out these insights to find how we can prioritize how to fix these issues one by one and create a plan of action to get back on track. So I'm switching over to the Dimension Labs custom prompt interface here. And you can see I gave context to the AI and what the company is, the situation at hand, and the task at hand. So I just quickly created some dimensions here. So I said, pull out the specific issues. Can you predict a churn risk score on a scale of 1 to 5 to prioritize certain issues? Can you pull out quotes from the customers as reference, pull out categories, themes, emotions, and recommended solutions? So I tested this on my data set, and let's scan some of the output. So you can see a lot of the churn risk scores are 4s or 5s out of a scale of 5, which is pretty bad. You can even see here, this quote being pulled out is, I just want to play my music. So customers are extremely frustrated. So now that we've pulled out these insights from every single review at scale, let's try to find themes in these reviews of what customers are actually complaining about to start to prioritize a plan of action. So I'm going to switch over here into our mapping interface. What we're doing is we're taking that specific dimension of that issue label. So what is the exact issue a customer is complaining about in the review? We are mapping everything here semantically to find similar issues, and we're clustering them together to find groups. So you can see here, there's a whole range of different groups of issues being discussed all across the board here. As you can see, it's scattered across the map. If we just look at the biggest group here, a lot of people are complaining about app performance and reliability issues. So the app is slow and disconnects. It's extremely slow. The app is sluggish and unresponsive. The app actually crashes after the splash screen. Let's go to the next largest group. This is around volume controls and connectivity issues. I myself am a Sonos user. I'm in this bucket. My speakers actually don't connect after the update. So let's see. The new app destroys a whole house audio control multi-room system, rendered useless. New app causes speaker connectivity issues. If we just go down here, you can see there's even specific issues around the alarm feature is removed or missing, which is, I know, a key feature for many customers. So in this way, we can quickly scan different groups of issues people are complaining about across hundreds of thousands of reviews over the last 12 months or so. In the next few videos, we're going to talk about how do we pull these insights that we've found at scale and how do we start to take action and prioritize an action plan.